Hello, my name is Claudia Segura. I'm going to talk about my favorite city in Colombia. My favorite city is Bogota. It's a beautiful city and you can do a lot of things. For example, you can go to a shopping mall, go to the cinemas, you can go to the center of the city and you will find a lot of museums and historical places. Bogota is colder than Medellin, for example, and more crowded. In Bogota, you can find a variety of restaurants. My favorite one is El Tambor. Finally, my favorite movie about this city is San Andresitos, about a police officer who lives in Bogota. Thank you.